We're gonna do the custard filling. Okay, so we're gonna do 250 milk, and then here the custard powder, what I mixed up with sugar, is 2 tablespoons of custard with 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right, so then I'm gonna mix it up. With 4 tablespoons of milk. The milk into the pot. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter. And let it all melt. Starting to bubble. Take your whisk and then we add it in. While you add it in, you whisk it. You can see the consistency, it needs to be thick. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. And that's it. That's your custard. Your custard is done. Okay guys, I'm gonna dish this out. I'm gonna put it in the freezer so it can cool down.